Now let's talk about trophic cascades. This is when changes in the abundance or number of organisms at one trophic level changes the energy flow through other trophic levels. These cascades can be top-down or bottom-up, meaning they start at the top or bottom of our trophic levels. We'll talk about each one next. In the top-down trophic cascades, the trophic levels are influenced from the top levels, the carnivores. When there are not many carnivores in the ecosystem, as we see on the left, then there are more herbivores and less producers. So, an example for Yellowstone, when there aren't very many coyotes, then there are more rabbits, leading to less grasses. On the right, we see a larger blue circle indicating more carnivores, like coyotes. When there's more carnivores, like our coyotes, there's less rabbits, the yellow circle is smaller, and there's more grass, since there's not so many rabbits to eat it all. So top-down trophic cascades start at the top trophic levels, and they influence all the levels below them. For bottom-up trophic cascades, the changes come from the bottom trophic level, the producers. Remember, the producers set the energy budget for the ecosystem through photosynthesis. Limiting factors like soil nutrients, sunlight, or precipitation can influence the amount of producers that grow in an area. This affects all the trophic levels above the producers. In the levels on the left, if there's a large number of producers, the ecosystem can support the primary consumers, the yellow circle, secondary consumers, the blue circle, and tertiary consumers, the red circle, and maybe even quaternary consumers in some areas. On the right trophic levels, if there's not many producers, the green circle here is smaller, then the ecosystem can support less primary consumers, less secondary consumers, and possibly no tertiary or higher levels. So, in the bottom-up cascade, it begins at the bottom of the trophic level with the producers. Now that we've covered trophic cascades, continue working through the case study, answering the questions, and working on your team handout.